All right, good morning. Getting everything loaded up here. Book maps, rocket scooter. Trying to get an idea of what we're doing today. I think today could be a bit of a pullback day. So I'm gonna take it easy with my longs. Although I do want to long, especially with VIX where it's at. All right, man, let's do this shit. 9:28. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I think order flow is going to be a telltale sign today. I'm going to take it easy on long pivots. And we'll just see. We'll see what price wants to do. I'm actually not going to jump in anything too quick today. Woo! One minute. So I'll let the market open. I'm not going to pop a short off the bat. I don't usually do that. Usually if I'm going to do anything off market open, it's a long. Just want to see what order flow is doing. A lot of news this week, a lot of things going on, so no need to be overly aggressive here. Yesterday was a good day, made like $1,500. All right, here we go, guys. Market's open. Let's see. Selling, selling, selling. Okay. Not enough selling for me to enter anything short. No res. Oh my goodness. All right, one of my trading indicators is down, guys. That is going to make it harder for me. Not impossible, but much harder. How about that? All right, where are we on NASDAQ? No maps. All right. Nothing yet. No res. Okay, well, one of my indicators is down. Great. We're gonna be relying on book maps and book maps only, really. trying to be very nimble here, guys. A lot of buying, a lot of selling going on here, obviously. So let it figure out what it wants to do. Are we going to squeeze the bulls or squeeze the bears? Some buying down here. I could take a long off SPY open. I think I will take a long off SPY open. Let's see. Long about right here. See if we can't get this. Stop about right here. S&P is looking a little bit weaker than NASDAQ. I was actually accidentally reading the book maps for NQ instead of ES. Oops. Just a small scalp here if we do get it. Look at NASDAQ. That was long to take, man. Let's see if we can get it though on S&P. See for targets. I mean, let me actually set an order here so we get filled at 51.50. That's this candle's high here. 51.50. I don't really have any targets other than DD band, which is way up there. Okay, there we go, guys. I'm out of that. For what was that, like 5 handles, 6 handles? It was almost 7 handles. Not bad, couple $100. I'll take it. What else can I do? Look at that. NASDAQ's already up to DD band. Sheesh. Really, any other trades? I mean, this is a B setup here. I'd like to wait for an A+ setup, but there's really not much. You know? This line here actually is about right there. Let's see. Let's check VIX. VIX is in decay still. VIX is not a worry right now. I think 68.63 is probable today. I do. 68.63. That would be yesterday's high. Or about 68.64 be yesterday's high. I don't have one of my main indicators, man. So that's why I kind of just want to wait for A+ setups. You know, I don't want to chase anything here because I don't have the telltale indicator here for these, you know, open, close, and half gap. So all I got is book maps, which is great. I love book maps, but lots of buying in here. I think probably should have held along. That's okay. That's okay. See how this 5-minute candle closes here. Nasdaq's looking very strong. That's a run right there. 524 to 603. It's almost a 100-point run. Well, it is from here. Nice. If I had to guess, I would say Nvidia is probably the one carrying Nasdaq. Nvidia must be recovering. I could buy on this dip here. I don't know. It's a lot of buying. I think I'll wait. At least for a B pivot. At least. If we do get a B pivot, I'll probably go long there. Buyers are holding this thing up right now. I think we push higher. Ugh, I don't like trading blind though. I got. Come on, man. I got no res. Ugh. Well, we got this trade. This trade worked out nicely. Just to take out this high. I mean, why not, right? All this buying, but let's see. Let's see what we do now. What I would love is like dips, man. Give me a dip. Give me a dip to weekly hedge pressure. Monthly MHP is so far down here. MHP is all the way at 67. We're not getting that. Not much to trade today, honestly. And I just want to reload this because NASDAQ, I don't even have liquidity maps. I got nothing. Still buying down in here, man. I think I'll try another long, honestly. There's a lot of buying. If we can get 68.44, I'd like to go long there. But only if I get it. It's just all buying. There's just really no selling coming through right now. No, don't leave without me. No. Come back. Come back. Please dip. Please dip, market. Dip into my order. Right now, at least, it looks like it'd be a good long. Of course, that can change, but I don't think bears want a short here. I certainly don't. Let's see, VIX. VIX, what are you doing? VIX, you're not really doing anything, which is good. Give me some longs. Give me a dip. Give me a dip. Come on. Just sitting here with my limit order waiting for a dip, man. Basically just hit this trade again. Look at NASDAQ, man. NVIDIA must be pumping today. Here we go. Here's some selling pressure now on ES. Let's see. Let's see. If we sell from here, we're probably going to have a pretty strong dip. Just based on all the buying that's going on up here. You know? So we're long right here. I'd like to get 10 handles. I don't know if we could take it all the way back up to the top. But maybe close. You know. Yeah, no. Come on, baby. Where is... Okay. Yeah, I mean... The bulls are still buying. They're still buying. So if we squeeze out of this level, that'd be nice. I just want to see NASDAQ hit DD band. Once NASDAQ hits DD band, or just makes another push up, I'll get out of this. Get out of this long, or I'll get out of this long if I see a lot of selling pressure coming in, which seen a bit, but nothing to scare me out of this. Not yet. I don't know, guys. I might jump out and take a $12 loss. Or jump out and take a $12 gain. We're right around my entry here. And what I want to see is us push up out of this with all this buying that's going on. Otherwise, I'm going to stop myself out. I don't know. There's some selling coming in down here. But when that happens, I like to wait. I mean, when you have these big buy orders come in and then the market dips and there's selling coming in, that's a recipe for a short squeeze, which I would like to be a part of if I'm long. But if we get stopped out, we'll lose about 150 bucks. I got a really tight stop on this one. Maybe 200 tops. Yeah, we'll lose 200 bucks. That's what I like to see now. So all the shorts that just jumped in, they're getting kind of sweaty. If we push higher and push higher and push higher, they're going to squeeze out, and then we'll push even higher. Come on, baby. I don't know, guys. How is these 15-minute candles looking? That's what I'd like to see. So, a little bit of a rejection up there. Okay. Nothing too bad, honestly. Give me the long. Bump it up. All these buyers in here, they're not going to let this thing fall. Are you kidding me? Just waiting. So a lot of sellers came in right here. We pushed higher. That's a good sign, especially with the buyers we had before that. The buyers here on this candle. Sellers came in here at the bottom mostly. Now we're pushing higher. That tells me, we could definitely squeeze out some shorts if we continue to go. But we need to continue to go here. We need to push. If we reject now, I'm thinking lower, and I'm probably just going to exit for a small gain. I want to see continued momentum. I don't want to see that momentum get stopped in its tracks like that. I would like to see that candle close strong. Now we got 3 more minutes in this 5-minute candle, so let's just wait. Let's see where this 5-minute candle closes. Or if we get stopped out first, we get stopped out, which it looks like we're about to get stopped out. Yeah, there you go. Okay. All right, so that one, we're out of that one. So we're up $80 for the day. I could short here, but I don't want to short into half gap. If anything, I want to get long off half gap, which is here. So I ain't gonna short nothing, not yet. We above, we're above VWAP. Yeah. I think we'll see higher prices, just because we got stopped out on that one. Our timing is off. So I'll wait. I'll see if we can get this pivot here, half gap pivot. That'd be nice. We can get that dip. If you want to keep dipping, come on, dip. Let's go. I'm praying for a dip now. We're out of the long. We got stopped out, lost like $200. We got $80 on the day. A whole $80. Made a whole $80, man. Fuck yeah. Hey man, my tools are down. If I make any money, I'll be happy. Ugh. S&P, it's okay. You can fill your gap. Go ahead. Go ahead. It's okay, S&P. Oh my goodness. Come on. You're going to push higher now? I think I'm good. I don't know. And when I don't know, I don't trade. Nope. There's always tomorrow and the next day and the next day. Remember, we got a lot of news coming out this week. A lot of news, and today we actually have no news, so the market's just kind of going to be doing market things. Range trading, very possible. I knew all this coming into this morning. That's why that first scalp I took was, just a small, 6.5 handles, And the selling is getting completely absorbed here, though. So I'd say if NASDAQ hits that green line, that DD band, I would consider popping a short, depending on order flow. Depending on order flow, I'll short off that. Is this? Huh. All I'm seeing is buying. But what I want to see is a dip. That's what I want to see. I don't really want to short this. Even if we hit DD band, I don't really want to short it if all I'm going to see is buying. It's going to be very dependent on the order flow here for sure. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, baby. Breaking out. We're busting up higher again. I knew we were gonna, but I got stopped out. Fuck. There's that DD band. Let me pay attention here. We're at that DD band. We're at the pivot I said I'd short off of. If order flow permits. Let me tell you guys, order flow is not permitting. I am not taking a short here. No shot. No thank you. No thank you. No thank you. If we break and hold, I'll actually take a long off of it. Well, there's that second long trade I got stopped out of. Thanks a lot, market. Appreciate that. All right. Nothing personal, of course, right? Do you hate me, S&P? Man, if only I had my freaking indicators, dude. Fuck this. It's like trading with the fucking lights off. I can't see anything. You know? Fuck that. All right, if I see some crazy selling pressure come in on S&P, I'll short the shit out of it. I'll target these lows all the way down here to half cap. But other than that, I got fucking nothing, man. I got nothing. I'm gonna fucking trade in the dark. Fuck that. That's how you lose money. Got fucking nothing. All right. I would say probably long off this pivot is the move, but I can't be sure, so I can't take the trade, man. Let's look at ES. 68.64 was my. It's kind of my like target. 68.64, like up here. That's my target for S&P. For like Nasdaq, let me like look at it because I haven't really looked at it. I don't know on Nasdaq. I don't really have a target for Nasdaq. That's why I'm not really trading it right now. If I were to take the long off DD band, I'm not sure where I would target, to be honest. I don't think we're going to take out November 12th's high, which would be 25,831 or 828 around there. It's very possible we do. I don't know. I don't think so. It's like just more buyers, man. Just more buyers. More buyers, baby. I'll go long off the Nasdaq one. I'll take a small long. And it's small, so I can be right, I can be wrong. It's okay. And we'll target it like we'll go for like 25,680. We'll try to get like 40 points or 70. That'd be more like 40 points from the line. Go for that. We just got so much buy-in. You know, the market's bullish. Everyone's buying. Price is going higher, guys. In my opinion, my very, very humble opinion, I think price is going higher. I do. Once more, it's kind of the theme lately. About that. And about that. Thank you. So get my average down. I will exit one here. Not two, just one. So I'm taking one off at 25,647 or 651 around there. then I'll hold the rest for 670. 670. Oh my god. Come on. This one doesn't worry me too much. NASDAQ is a much better play to take a long on. If you're trying to short, S&P would be the one you want to short. S&Ps have something that's holding it down that wanted to stop me out, which is fine. But I don't think we're going to stay down too long, guys. I think this buying pressure is going to do its thing. It's going to push the market higher. That's what it does. People buy, price goes up. Squeezed out those shorts this morning. Kind of trapped them a little bit. Just the bold souls who wanted to short. Yep. All right, man. Get me out of... Ah, dude. Ugh. I accidentally exited both of them. Ah, that sucks. I wanted to exit one. Oh, man. You serious, bro? Fuck. Whatever. It was like $500. So we're up like... I don't know. It was like $495. Okay, so we're up like $495. I'm pretty much $500 for the day. Fuck, man. I wanted to hold that shit. I wanted to hold that shit till here. Oh, you son of a bitch. All right, listen. If we get another dip, which I don't think we're going to, but if I get another dip to 629, I will fucking pick up an order there. Let me double check where the VIX is. Oh my goodness, VIX is dying. Very nice, very nice. I could just ape into ES, honestly. I mean, that's what I want anyway. I want ES. There's my dippy dip. There's my dippy dip. Thank you. So now I'm in again. This time I'm holding all the way. 625, 670. 670. Yeah, holding for that. Yeah, I wanted to get in on this, man. There's just too much buying going on. I'll buy the dip. I'll buy the dip, man. And I'll stop out. Same stop. I'll use the same stop. 601 about. Up 500 for the day. It's not bad. Oh, we're rejecting the DD ban. And about to get stopped out. Don't do it. Go long. Don't stop me out. Don't be like that. S&P is heavy, man. And S&P is the leading index. You always want to look at S&P before you look at NASDAQ. But it looked like there was a lot of buying going on S&P. So it could just be lagging behind a little bit. Which happens. And when that happens, when you're bullish S&P, but it's weaker, you might as well take the stronger trade on NASDAQ if NASDAQ is stronger. So NASDAQ is stronger today. VIX is like dying, which is good for longs. It's good for like not a whole lot of volatility, you know. That dip just got straight up, I mean, bought up, you know. That dip just got bought up. Hope you didn't short that. I'm not looking at short. No, sir. If I get stopped out on this long, I'm not going to think about shorting. Almost got stopped out, man. That was pretty close. That was within like 3 points. All right. What are we doing? I don't know about this trade. I would love to see. I would love to see this trade work out. I would. Come on, Bulls. Come on, Bulls. Yeah, I'm gonna move my stop up because if I see this thing re-dip back down, that's not a good sign. So if it does, I mean, I want to be out of this trade anyway, so I'll cut it short. So I'll see if we shoot back down. I'm stopping out like around 609. No, there we go. Running up now. Squeeze these shorts out. That were trying. They were trying. Oops. They were trying. They were trying, guys. I don't know though. I don't know if we'll hit 668 or 670. I don't know if we're gonna hit that. This thing is like, it needs news. We don't have news, you know? So, I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know about this one specifically. But my stop is damn near break even. I want to see us. If we're going to move, I'd like to see it now. So if we take another dip, I'm getting stopped out immediately, which is okay. Because if we do dip again, I don't want to be in the trade anymore. So we're getting stopped. Stop filled. All right, lost $40. We're up 427. I don't want to see this thing go back down. We're getting some sellers come in now too. I'll take the $40 loss on that one. We were up like $400 at one point in that trade, or 400? No, probably more like 300. But nah. It's a good trade, but I'm trading with the lights off. I don't have my indicators. I'm trading blind here. You know, my indicators are down today. Hopefully they're up by the afternoon, but this morning we got nothing. So I'm just that's why I'm being like I am. Very protecting my money. Made $420. I don't want to give it back. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let's lock in. Let's lock in, man. Let's log in. All right. Excuse me. All right, we got a dip. We're dipping. We are dipping. It's so hard to trade without res or fucking DD or anything. Oh my god. All right. It's fine. Are we dipping, baby? Where are we dipping? Is there any dips we want to buy? I don't know. Kind of, yeah. I'm kind of interested in buying some dips. None of these are. These dips aren't. There's nothing behind them. VIX is peeking its head, and we'll keep an eye on that. But the volume, the aggressiveness in the sellers, it's not anything crazy compared to the buyers. Now, that doesn't mean we can't sell off from here. What it means is that I don't want to short from here. What it also means is that I'm not very confident in a long from here, this pivot, maybe this pivot. But yeah. Nice dip though. Nice dip. I do not need to be a part of that. But that's a nice dip. Now what I want to see is, do we hold half gap, which is this dashed white line? Come on. Do we hold it? Do I long off it? I might long off it, honestly. If I can get it, I might long off it. VIX is shooting up a bit, so I'm gonna keep an eye on it. I'm not gonna long off half gap if VIX is gonna peek its ugly head. Let's fucking go. Oh, I don't know. Going off this B setup with no res, I don't fucking know. I don't want to do it. No, I'm not long enough that, and I'm still not shorting either. This is just Spy's trying to fill its gap. That's all that's going on here. Nasdaq is still way up. It doesn't want to fill its gap. I usually I can trade this, guys. I can't trade this with no res. It's like I'm trading in the dark. I don't want to do it. It would have been a good trade. Fuck. I mean, so far, but I got no problem if it wants to do what it wants to do without me. We're up $700 on the day. $700 on the day. Now here's where I want to watch order flow. If we stay selling here, then no thank you. But if we do start to see some buying pressure, then maybe. Spoofing going on right now, so I think we're going lower. Someone's spoofing orders here. I mean, I could try a short off this. Yeah, there's some buying coming in. There is. I think we'll go lower. I think we'll go lower. I mean, I'm up $700. I really don't need to do anything. I can just watch it. That's fine. Hmm. It's all selling here. Oh my god. There we go. Are we below? Did we break through VWAP? I'm sure we did. Oh yeah, we did. Absolutely, we did. I'll pop a short. I'll pop a short here. Stop just right above here. Here, I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Shorten right here. Stop right here. Target's going to be SPY close. SPY close, which is 68.29. Oh, I actually popped that short on NQ. Nope, I don't want that. Okay, well, I just made 130 bucks. There, I'll take that short there. All right, now I'm in that position. Dun, 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 dun. Well, are we gonna get stopped out on the short? If we do, I'll lose about 200 bucks. No, I think we're going lower, guys, for real. I think SPY close is an easy play. Selling is overwhelming here. And if I get stopped out of this, I'm probably done for the day. And I'll take my, count my blessings, count my money, and call it a day. And we're stopped. Okay, that's it. Oops. Let me get that. All right, so we are up 700 bucks on the day total. All right. I just got liquidity maps on. Oh, we just got it. We got res. Res is 70? No. No. No, I don't think so. All right, well, we got liquidity maps now. That's gonna help. So we're strong and bullish, man. We are nice and bullish. Let me tell you. Yep, I'll go long here with the res where we're at right now. 68.44. I'll go long all the way to the top. All right, so I'm long. Off SPY open. I want 13 handles. Stop. I'll put it right about here. I'll give her some room, man. Let's give her some room to move. All right. Let's give her some room. All right, so I got liquidity maps, so I can trade now. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. All right. Yep. Give it to me. Oh, yeah, this is nice. Very nice. This is what I want to see. All right, let's keep going. I think we could hit the high. I think we could take out this high. Take out this high, then maybe we'll trade lower, but I think we could take out this high here. Yeah, you can try and be a bear, but it's hard right now. You know, I'd much rather be a bull. Oh, Nvidia's approaching DD. I could just exit when we hit this green line. I could exit my trade over here. But I do want to trade it. What does that sound? You know what? Let's turn that off. I don't know what it's playing, but anyway. I'm up $300 on that, just trading one mini contract. I want to trade it up to 68.57. That's where my limit order is. But we'll see. I think we'll get it. Up 350. Come on. Give me this trade and I'll be good. This is what I wanted. Would have been nice if I caught it down here, but we didn't have the liquidity maps. We didn't have the res. If I would have known res was 50, I would have taken that all day long. Up almost 400 bucks here. So we just hit DD on NASDAQ. I could exit here. Let's go 450. I got my order there right there. It's 68.57 right here. Do I want to hold this? I don't know. All right, guys, I'm closing out here. 500 bucks. Closed out there. That's a good trade. That's a good trade. Finally got the liquidity maps up, the res up, and then we were able to take the long off this SPY open here. Would have liked to catch this one here, but we got this one. And I'll take it, man. I'll take it. That's $1,100 on the day. It's good. It's a good day. I don't really need anything else. I think I'm gonna cut the stream here, guys. I might come back for the afternoon, but I'm gonna take a little break. I'm gonna go eat breakfast, have some coffee, and enjoy my morning, as you should too. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned. I might be back in the afternoon. I might not. We'll see if we have any setups. Other than that, y'all take care.